Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you that how you can get viral YouTube video idea from some platform in the internet. So if you don't have any idea for your YouTube channel video, so this video is for you and you're in the perfect channel. So I'm going to show you the 6 ways that how you can get the viral YouTube video idea which will help your channel grow and get some views. So the first one is go to Google, then search Google Trend. So here is the first page, trends.google.com. You have to go to Google Trends, then click on trending now. So these are the things which is trending today for YouTube. Let's you can see the Liverpool versus Bournemouth, Aston Villa versus Newcastle, South Africa, Australia. So these are the things that is trending in the world right now. So if you want to select the country, for example, if I search India, then all region. If I filter by India, well, let's see what is trending in India. So as you can see, the India is trending English Premier League, Niger versus South Africa, Premier League table, South Africa national cricket team, and Australia, Janmashtami wishes, Krishna images, Mahindra vision cards, Aston Villa Newcastle. So these are the things are trending in the world in India right now. So you can make video on this type of a topic, and people are searching this topic in YouTube. So you can make video on this topic. It will get some views for sure, because these things are searching, people are searching in this topic in some platform like Google, YouTube, or some other things. So this is the thing. As you can see, the first 24 hours you can select the first 4 hours, 48 hours, and 7 days. All categories you can select the categories, any kind of, you can, if you search game, for example, you can see there's Kerala lottery result today. These are trending. Lottery Sambad, Bodoland lottery result, Kolkata Fatafat, Kerala lottery result chart. These are the things is trending in Google Trend. So you can make videos on this topic. So this is the first one, is the Google Trend. Um, Make sure that you try this and make videos on this, and then it will get some views on YouTube. So the second one is you have to go to Google again, then search answer the public. Answer the public. Answer the public. So this is the Answer the Public website, answerthepublic.com. Go to answerthepublic.com. So firstly select YouTube, and then write the topic which you want to make a video. So for example, if I want to make video about AI, if I say write AI and then select the country. For example, if I search India, then the language is English, then search. Now he will generate some video idea for your YouTube channel regarding AI. AI is artificial intelligence. This is the very interesting thing, if you don't know about it. As you can see, he is giving you 135 video ideas about YouTube. Are AI laptops worth it? Are AI generated video monetized? Are AI channels monetized? As you can see, are can AI replace software engineers? Can AI replace doctors? As you can see how AI works, how AI agencies work. So this is the idea. There is what this he is giving you. As you can see, he is giving you the where AI meets human. When AI meets human. As you can see, these are the idea. This is a trending in the world right now, actually in YouTube. So people are searching this type of a topic in YouTube. So you can make video on this type of a 135 topics. So these are the questions, and now we are going to prepositions. Here prepositions have 96 questions regarding AI. You can use these topics as well. Okay, so then go to comparisons. In comparison section, you will get 72 ideas regarding YouTube video, AI and machine learning, AI versus human monarchy, AI versus Indian music stand-up comedy. So these are the things these are the things is trending in India in regarding AI and YouTube. So this is AI like ChatGPT, AI like ChatGPT for free. So these are the things that you can. These are the topics you can use, and these are the things is now trending on YouTube, and people are searching on this. So you have to make videos. As you can see, alphabetical 377, numbers 146, related 2170. So this is, you can download the CSV file regarding all these ideas. Now you can get the all video idea from answerthepublic.com. So make sure you try this and comments and how it works. So the third one is YouTube analytics. So you have to go to your YouTube channel. Then go to analytics. Firstly go to YouTube Studio, then go to analytics. So these are the analytics section. So analytics section, go to trend. Okay, so go to trend options. So the first is select your niche, which you want to make video. So for example, if I search AI photo editing, for example, or AI video generator. If I search anything about AI video generator on Google Analytics, so in the channel analytics option, you can see the when I search AI video generator, he's giving me some suggestions. So if I click on show all section, here as you can see that he's giving me some ideas regarding how to generate a video with AI video to a video generator AI. These are the high volume. As you can see, these are the high volume AI animator video generator. So this is the suggestion that YouTube Analytics is giving you to make videos, which is people want video like this topic, and if you don't want to make a video, people will go to some other channel. So for that you have to make videos on this topic. So here another option is content gaps. So if you click on content gaps, so these are the things is that this type of a video is not still not may not make in YouTube. So you have to make this topic video as well. So if you make this video, these are the lack of video in YouTube. So you have to if you have to select these options. So this is in high volume, all are in high volume, as you can see. So this is the third one, YouTube Analytics. So the fourth one is YouTube comments. So for some YouTube channel, like who creates some education type video, people do comments on which type of a video they want. So if you go to YouTube Studio, then go to YouTube comments. Go to dashboard first, then go to comment section. These are the comments. As you can see, latest comments, go to view all. So some people ask you a video like comment section, then you have to make this video by seeing your comment section. So people want video like their comments on your channel or some other channel. So you have to follow up on your YouTube comment section as well. So this is the fourth one, and the fifth one is VidIQ. Fifth one is VidIQ. So go to youtube.com, and then firstly add the extension in Google Chrome, and then VidIQ extension. So this is the VidIQ extension. As you can see, this is the VidIQ extension. I have already added in my Chrome, so you have to add it on your Chrome. So then go to YouTube, then search a video, then AI. If I search AI video generator, here as you can see, this is the AI video. In the right side, as you can see that this overall score is high, 76, and volume is this one. As you can see, AI video generator is got highest views 2 millions, and the average views is 3,77,000. Average subscriber is 1.1 million. So these are the stats regarding AI video generator. As you can see, the top channels for the search team is Brand Craft, AI for Technology, and Digital Raj. So these are the channels who are the AI video generators top channel for this search team. So AI generator, ABA, VidIQ is also one kind of a technique which will give you the video idea, viral video idea for YouTube channel. So you have to try this out, and make sure you use this VidIQ platform to make your video. So this is the fifth, and now we are going to the sixth option, which is called ChatGPT, which is very popular in this world right now. If you go to ChatGPT, 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 ChatGPT.com. This is the ChatGPT page. So now like ChatGPT, to give firstly you have to give a prompt to ChatGPT. So if I ask him that I wanna make a video. I wanna make a video. I wanna make a video on AI video generator. You have to select. You have to mention your topic on video. So AI video generator. So now give me some video ideas regarding this. So then hit enter. Now he will give you some video ideas on this. As you can see, that how to create professional videos in 5 minutes with AI, how talking avatar videos with AI, create YouTube shorts and AI video generator. As you can see, he is giving you almost 17 video ideas which is now trending on YouTube. So you have to try this out, and you have to make videos with ChatGPT as well. So these are the 6 options. The first one is Google Trend, second one is Answer the Public, then third one is YouTube Analytics, and the fourth is YouTube Comments, and fifth is VidIQ, and the last one which is ChatGPT, which is more popular. So try this out, and do comments which is this video is helpful for you or not. So I'll see you in the next video, and please share this video with your friends and family. Thank you. Thanks for watching.